You can easily make ketchup from the comfort of your home using fresh onion and fresh tomatoes. All you need is just one onion and about 5 to 6 pieces of tomatoes. You start by chopping your tomatoes and onion into tiny pieces so that you don't have to boil for too long. Then you pour everything into a dry pan. Add some little water, about quarter of a cup is fine. Then allow it to dry. Let it boil on low heat until the water dries out. Once you notice the water is completely dried, then you can blend it into smooth paste. You can use hand blender or you blend it directly from the pot. Then you can sieve too and extract the other tiny molecules. So once you're done sieving, just add your sugar, your pepper and vinegar. Take it back to the stove and heat for few more minutes until it thickens. And your ketchup is ready. Follow our YouTube channel for more interesting recipe videos. See you next time. Adios.